Hi, my name is Chavez. I'm an attorney in Los Angeles, California. I have a practice in Beverly Hills. My office serves most of Southern California, the 4 major counties. I wanted to talk to you a little bit more today about the what I call the accidental criminal aspects of the criminal justice system. There are 3 categories. There is the DUI, which I have another video of that you can go and watch, and then there's domestic violence. The way the laws are written nowadays, if a couple is fighting at home, or any 2 adults are fighting at home, if the police are called, they are mandatorily required to separate the couple and probably arrest one of the 2 people. It doesn't matter who gets arrested. It just matters that they get everybody separated. And this is because some really bad things have happened in the past where they've let people stay together and later on another fight starts and there's physical damage done or death takes place because of the domestic violence issue. But the reason that they separate one person out, they pick one person, is because they have to protect their own liability. And that's why people go to jail on a domestic violence charge. Now, it can come to court and be all absolved at a certain point in time because there's been a misunderstanding or whatever, but there has to be that first step that the police take, that they arrest somebody and they detain them. Now, if there's counter charges made against the other party, that's something else that can be handled as well. And that's why you need an attorney who can help the police and help the prosecutors understand exactly what took place that night or that day or whenever it happens. Because you don't deserve to be treated like a criminal just because of a policy that the police have in place. I want to take charge of cases like that and make sure that you're protected so that you get you get only the justice that is served to you. Because it truly is, many times domestic violence is a great big misunderstanding. But sometimes when people are violent towards each other, there are penalties that have to be suffered. And that's why I'm going to be frank here. When you assault somebody, you will be going to jail if that can be proven. And that's the way that it works in our system. But what I really want to make sure you understand is that I will inform you as to exactly what takes place from the very beginning of the case. I will let you, I will sit down with the arrest report with you. I'll hear your side of it. I'll take all the notes. We'll do as much interviewing as possible so that you know that you've been heard and make sure you understand why the system is going to work the way it is. Domestic violence is something that can follow you because in certain situations it can follow you for a lot longer than just the 90 days or the 30 days or whatever it is that you have to do. If you have a class to take for a year, things like that, I make sure that you understand that that's why it will follow you, because you will have a record at that point. Because any domestic violence charge is going to stick to you really badly. I work to protect you to minimize the effect of that stickiness. So whenever you're going to be involved in a criminal charge concerning domestic violence, you want to make sure that your attorney understands that part of it, that you are going to be heard by your attorney so that your goal of what you want to achieve out of the criminal justice system will work for you.